KHADC earmarks rupees 45 lakh to boost research on Khasi tradition and customs. Opposition MDCs engage ADC stage walkout to protest passing of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023. Shillong Municipal Board holds cleaning drives as part of Garbage Free India campaign. And KSU holds protest against government NHAI over poor condition of National Highway 6. And now for the news in detail. KHADC Chief Executive Member Pinyat Singh's aim on Monday informed that the Council has earmarked rupees 45 lakh for the research work project on as many as 20 areas pertaining to the tradition, culture, customs and practices of the Khasi community. While replying to cut motion moved by HSPDP MDC Martel and Mukim during the special session of the Council, KHADC CM informed that the Council has notified the Research and Development Committee under the Education Department of the Council with Executive Member in charge of the department, Karnis Soshang. CM further informed that 20 lakh has been allotted for the major research, while rupees 15 lakh has been earmarked for the minor research.
TA and setting allowance to members kalau ARLA, secretarial and education, execution and examiners fees kalau ARLA Shikay, but miscellaneous kalau Sanpula kalau Sanlap kalau. But the project was kalau South Sanlap, minor research Imam Kap Sanlap, major research Imam Apula, but committee berikut Imam Sanlap, but miscellaneous
The opposition MDCs in the KHADC staged a walkout after the NPP-led executive committee decided to go ahead in passing the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023 during the special session here on Monday. The opposition MDCs from the UDP and HSPDP had proposed that the amendment bill should be referred to the select committee. Leader of opposition Titos Starwell Khan said that it will be better to refer the amendment bill to the select committee since there are many clauses which are in conflict with the acts of the various HEMAs. In another breaking news, Ernest Mauri has been removed from the post of the state BJP president with immediate effect. According to official communique, BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda has appointed Rikmand Momin as State President of Meghalaya BJP with immediate effect. Ahead of the upcoming festive season in Meghalaya, the Shillong Municipal Board is conducting various cleaning drives by encouraging youth to be part of this program. As part of the program, the streets of Limekra were cleansed. Mulling the theme Youth versus Garbage, this project urged the youth to join the campaign for Garbage Free India. Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban and Grameen are jointly organizing the campaign from September 15th to 2nd October 2023. The thought behind the campaign is to mobilize the participation of crores of citizens across the country through activities such as Indian Swachhta League 2.0, Safai Mitra Suraksha, Shivar and cleanliness drives.
The Indian Swachhta League, okay, it's the season 2 of the Swachh Bharat Mission initiative. It started on the 17th of September 2023 till it will go on till the 2nd of October 2023. The ISL, it's a campaign for a garbage-free India. So even the youth are engaged in this. So the youth are participating for a garbage-free India.
The Khasi Students' Union East Giant Hills District Unit organized a protest in Clearia to condemn the alleged failure of the state government and the National Highway Authority of India to repair the pathetic condition of the highway. The deteriorated condition of the road prompted the general public to join the protest by sitting on the highway to fish, plant rice on the muddy stretch in the quarters of the district. The protest will resume from 7 p.m. today until 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Lismi jingwan yang ini kami ia tilang lewat son wah dalam tengah presiden wan sesuat ia kisu ia ki yang ki wa yu rasajar gini ga serok yulai watang ulai kamai yo sejar mentu masjid fajar jinglut kasi kanu bena da yu gajing lalu tiga yang iwa are ma pa yu ni serok mandai nikmat kisu sekemat yu iwa ki emset daga mesin yang ki wa pa lagi itu pa da yami madan kami ilaman si hablai bersan ki.
The Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh RSS organized the National Resurgence Summit at the Cantonment Playground Gorkha Pathashala Higher Secondary School, Garikhana on Sunday. More than 200 selected volunteers participated in the program. In the drill program, volunteers demonstrated discipline and 40 types of stick handling experiments. On this occasion, All India Physical Education Head Sunil Gurkarni and other members associated with the association were also present on the stage. The organization will be celebrating its 100 years of its existence next year.
Program dekathong kabayu hit kadai na kajingdap shispas nem jong kasengar ses house nem arpo san te nakatakadaw nadu mentak kasnem hi nilai persang ban rakhi keleng berway ke India ban keleng berway ke partai hi ya kadai kajingdap shispas nem jong kasengar ses arpo san.
The family of one Juki Marwet, resident of Barapathar in Riphoi district along the Meghalaya Assam border, today lodged a complaint with police against two individuals, Dudu Majumdar and Nurul Islam from Assam, for allegedly threatening the complainant with bodily harm over land dispute. The Marwet family said that they had donated a land which they claim belonged to them for the construction of water supply facility in the village. Earlier, the villagers of Barapathal had filed a complaint at Pilankata outpost demanding appropriate action against the duo for obstructing development in the region. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 24.6 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning 88% and in the evening 77%. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And now for the headlines once again. KHADC earmarked rupees 45 lakh to boost research on Khasi tradition and customs. Opposition MDCs in KHADC stage walk out to protest passing of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023. Shillong Municipal Board holds cleaning drives as part of Garbage Free India campaign. And KSU holds protest against government NHAI over poor condition of National Highway 6. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.
What? Work smart like me.
Why? Won a lottery, is it?
You can say so. I'm investing in a great scheme.